And then there's just pull the two sides and this will pop up. So I removed the back platen. You can see it here. There's just 4 screws. And then there's 2 screws on each side on the front. They come here. There's one there, and there's one on that side. Take them off. Okay, take off the clip. I already pulled it off, so I'm gonna reinstall this one. So this is the new one. So the first thing you have to do is you have to take off, push the pin, unclip it, and from this side push the pin this way. It takes off the actual rollers off. So the rollers have to be removed before you install. Whatever. So once the rollers are removed, coming at a slight, there's a sweet spot where it falls in. Get the right angle. There it is. So once it's in, you should be able to snap it in. There, clicked in. Push this in. That right in there. Push the pin back. Oops. What was in? What happened? Popped out? There it is. And then make sure this pin on that side.